I'm Darby Marks, and I'm editor-in-chief of the Penn Bioethics Journal. We're an undergraduate bioethics journal that publishes at the end of each semester on bioethics topics ranging from law, politics, medicine, to biological research.
Last year, one thing that we've really made a big effort to do is really narrow down the selection time, so we spend maybe a couple of weeks as opposed to maybe a month or two selecting the pieces. And then everybody can just break into editing committees. So then they can spend a lot of hands-on time actually editing the pieces, working with the authors to really improve the piece's quality, and then really learn a lot more about bioethics. To that, we also made the editing committees a lot smaller, so in this way, everybody can get a lot more hands-on experience, so it's just a lot more involved than it was before.
To see an increased presence of the Penn Bioethics Journal at Penn, I'd like to see more undergraduates talking about bioethics and the topics of our papers, our interviews, news briefs, etc., because I think a lot of it is relevant.
In addition to curiosity and involvement, we just really like people who are passionate about the topics that we discuss. I remember when we were in a small group setting and we were talking about pain. Our managing editor at the time came in and he expressed some really interesting views about how pain might not necessarily be something that's the worst in terms of when you're getting a surgery. Maybe you don't want to get anesthesia because that's just kind of removing a feeling that's like intrinsic to life. And I was just very surprised because that was a very different viewpoint from something I would necessarily have. So being vocal, being involved, and really passionate.
In terms of future directions, we really are looking towards increasing awareness and readership, and we're looking to sort of expand both on and off campus, possibly continuing subscriptions for both faculty and students, and also new campaigns to really make people think about and question and be curious of bioethical concerns and questions that they may come across in daily life, whether it be on social media or just like thinking around on campus, so look out for us.
In terms of the time commitment, editors are expected to participate in small group discussions as well as general body discussions while we're deciding which pieces we want to publish, and then they also participate on committees that edit papers that have been accepted, and also they generate some of the content like news briefs and interviews for our journal each semester. I think by joining PBJ, you are really joining a community on this campus. A lot of our editors become close friends.